Hi, I'm Chaitra. I'm Apti and Anvi's mother.
Hi, I'm Sunaina. Trisha was a student of PLC and now Sanchi is passing out in UKG.
Hi, I'm Archana. I'm Vihan Kamat's mom.
Hi, I am Shruti. I am Simran.
So, the other day, someone asked me why I love ELC so much, and I just couldn't think of one reason to give her. There are just too many, don't you think?
So true, Archana. I think ELC has come such a long way, from a small campus to this, such lovely, lush green campus that we see today. When I see ELC, I think I can only think of a graph which shows a positive trend.
So 6 years back, when I was looking for a kindergarten for my kids, I was just desperately roaming all around town looking for preschools. And then I entered this campus, and it was like that beautiful chiku tree, the play park, and that unassuming hall, so safe, so beautiful. I knew this was the place for my children.
Yes, and I really appreciate when you enter the campus, you get such a positive energy from the the staff as well as the non-teaching staff. They know every name of each child who enters the campus, and the huge good morning, and it's just lovely.
To add on to that, I think even what I feel is, the formative years of a child is so very important, and I'm so glad I've chosen ELC for our children. And see, apart from the regular reading and writing, I think they have so many value-based activities. Be it your show and tells, be it your field trips, their play area, and the best is, I think, the way they celebrate the festivals of India. My girls are up early in the morning and they're so excited. It's like, Amma, I'm so excited today. There's going to be whatever, Dahi Handi or Holi celebrations, you name it, and they have it all,
And we are also on our feet since 2 days trying to arrange the costume and on that day dressing them up. I'm really going to miss it so much.
Right.
Show and tell reminds me of an incident. So I think Ayach was 3.5 when he visited one of these wax museums. So he could actually recognize Nelson Mandela, Mahatma Gandhi, and Neil Armstrong.
Really?
And when we came to Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan, he was like, Amma, who are they? And I was like, it's okay, it doesn't matter. So it's quite surprising that at such small age, they actually recognize all these personalities. That's a very good thing about these show and tells.
And I think in nursery, they knew the planets and the whole solar system.
They were just 2 years.
They know that song so well. I think till date, that's one song I think they wouldn't have.
And actually, I know the planets in order because of that song.
Exactly.
One more thing I notice about my kids is that they are just not shy to approach a stranger. They are so confident about themselves. They are so inquisitive. It's like they see something unusual happening, they immediately go and say, "What are you doing?" Or sometimes it's embarrassing with Sanchi, but still,
Yes,
I think it's a wonderful thing.
Definitely. And Aapti being such a sensitive girl, I've really seen her, bloom, and she's so much more confident, and she's such a caring girl today. And I think the most of the credit definitely goes to ELC.
And I think the only complaint my son Vihan has against the school is that Sunday is a holiday.
That's his company, my own.
But works both ways.
That reminds me, especially as a working mother, I used to be so stressed about the time, and they have a wonderful daycare which I've used so many times, and on holidays also I'm not worried. I know that my children are in a really safe environment even when I'm at work, and I'm just not tense that I have to hurry back and I have to be there for them,
Yes, really great going ELC. The entire staff and non-teaching staff. A real thumbs up to all of you.
Thumbs up, seriously. You'll deserve it.
So I'm so happy Ayans gets to continue with ALC in the new venture, the Bharat School.
It's the same case with me as well. I think I'm very excited that Aapti will be a part of the Bharat Academy next year. Having said so, I'm also thrilled that Anvi is still going to be with ELC for another 2 years. So I get to live the ELC life for the next 2 years. I can't be more thrilled.
And I think also it's safe to say that apart from the friendships the little kids have made, we have also made great friendships right here at ELC.
So true.
So one thing I really would like to appreciate is that the charity drives that they are having, the government schools that they have adopted, the libraries that they are opening up all around. I mean, more than the kids, I look forward to the Friday when she's getting new books, and it's like we have a great time reading those books at home. And I think that initiative is really wonderful. I have been a reader all my life, and I see my kids also becoming the same way because of ELC, and I really like that.
I think to add on to this, Sunaina, I love the initiative that they came up with, Gift a Story.
Yes.
I think that is really commendable. You know, the grandparents were involved, the kids were involved. I think Aapti and Anvi were like continuously behind my dad and my mother-in-law to, you know, tell a story and record it. So these are all things that do matter, I think, in a long run. So yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.